we all have these desires and we all keep fulfilling these desires. You have this wrong concept of happiness. Let me work hard. Let me get all the money. Let me buy all of that stuff. Let me get all the phones. Let me have those palaces. Let me have my dream house. Let me have my dream car and I'll be happy. You dream. And there's nothing wrong with dreaming. There's nothing wrong with earning. And there's nothing wrong with having. But to dream that this is what will make you happy, I'm sorry to say. Recently in Silicon Valley, I met a friend of mine and his life is no different. After a certain while, इतना मिल गया, उसके आगे क्या है यार? अभी क्या सोना खाएगा? सोना? सोना का टॉयलेट तो बना दिया, खाएगा क्या सोना? After you cross a certain limit, no, it's all a status game. It has no value. It can't add more value to your life. It's all a status game. Again, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying don't earn. I'm just saying don't make the mistake of equating your happiness with something that only has utility value.